Before this superbike hits extreme speed, its exhaust system is tested for power, heat, and precision. After the dyno run, the exhaust tip still glows with heat and racing pressure. From raw material to game-ready gear, this is field to factory. Like the video, share it, and subscribe for more powerful sports manufacturing stories. The story begins with raw titanium, heated and shaped inside a high-performance factory. Inside the facility, titanium and stainless steel pipes move through strict inspection lines. Every raw titanium pipe is measured carefully to meet exact racing tolerance. Precision machines bend each titanium tube into the exact shape needed for racing flow. After bending, the heated exhaust headers cool into their signature titanium color. Engineers study airflow simulations to design the most efficient exhaust path. Titanium sections are joined with precise TIG welding under intense factory light. Every weld seam is inspected closely to make sure the connection is strong and clean. Completed exhaust headers are lined up for alignment and production checks. Welded joints are polished smooth to reduce imperfections and improve finish quality. Inside the acoustic chamber, engineers test the exhaust tone and sound frequency. Airflow sensors and smoke reveal how gases move through the exhaust system. Carbon fiber is wrapped around the muffler core with careful precision. The carbon fiber muffler is cured under controlled heat and pressure inside the autoclave. Once cured, the muffler reveals a glossy carbon fiber finish with perfect weave detail. The internal exhaust core is inserted and aligned inside the carbon fiber shell. Every header, pipe, muffler, clamp, bracket, and bolt is prepared for final assembly. The full exhaust system is welded together on a precision jig frame. Heat treatment gives the titanium exhaust its strong blue and gold racing finish. The titanium surface slowly forms a rainbow finish as it cools under factory light. Ultrasonic inspection checks every weld joint for hidden structural weakness. Calibrated torque tools secure each mounting bracket with exact force. The exhaust is mounted on a Superbike test frame before full performance testing. On the dyno, the engine revs hard while the exhaust handles heat, vibration, and pressure. Engineers track horsepower gains as exhaust performance data rises in real time. The sound chamber tests the deep racing tone produced by the exhaust system. Colored smoke shows how gas velocity and turbulence move through the exhaust. Thermal imaging reveals the hottest exhaust zones under full engine load. Vibration testing pushes the exhaust system through extreme mechanical stress. After testing, cooling fans bring the heated titanium surface back down. Engineers inspect alignment, spacing, and clearance before final approval. A laser engraves the exhaust body with precise identification markings. The finished exhaust is displayed under factory lights as a premium racing component. Protective packaging keeps the exhaust safe for transport. Boxed exhaust systems move through warehouse logistics toward delivery. In the race garage, mechanics install the exhaust onto the Superbike frame. The engine fires up and the new exhaust releases its aggressive racing sound. The dyno acceleration test proves the exhaust can handle full-speed performance. The Superbike rolls out of pit lane with its full racing exhaust installed. As the rider twists the throttle, the exhaust responds with instant acceleration. On the straight, the exhaust leaves heat distortion behind the accelerating bike. Under aggressive throttle, the exhaust releases power with a brief flame burst. Through the corner, the exhaust stays stable as the bike leans under vibration. During gear shifts, pressure changes create sharp pulses from the exhaust outlet. Multiple Superbikes enter the corner with exhaust systems performing under race pressure. The exhaust mounting points stay stable under extreme riding vibration. After a high-speed run, the exhaust cools while heat still glows near the header. Pit engineers analyze exhaust pressure, heat, and flow data in real time. Exiting the final corner, the exhaust delivers smooth power through controlled throttle. At high RPM, the exhaust tip vibrates with airflow and metallic resonance. Uphill acceleration puts the exhaust under load while the system remains stable. After the run, mechanics check exhaust temperature with infrared tools. The titanium surface shows race-tested heat marks after full performance simulation. The raw pipe and finished exhaust show the full factory transformation. The completed exhaust stands under spotlight as a finished racing product. Forging, bending, welding, testing, dyno, and racing come together in one factory to track journey. After the test run, The Superbike stands on track as the exhaust slowly cools. From factory engineering to sunset acceleration, this exhaust is built for maximum performance.